everyone, welcome back to Swara's Lifestyle. I'm Swara. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a puppet show theater. So, I'm going to be performing a mini puppet show at the end too. So, for the penguins I'm going to need some black paint and white paint, and for the background I'm going to use turquoise and dark blue. So, you will need some skewers, a eraser, a paintbrush, a pencil, a ruler, and some markers. And you're gonna need this cardboard cutter, but make sure you get some parent help. And you need some paper. So to make the puppet show stage, we need to use the shoebox, and we need to use the top lid, and we need to do 2.5 centimeters each apart, and we need to cut it like this around with our parents' help. I cut this off, and it's like this now. And over here I drew a line, and we have to cut it a little bit so the skewers can go inside and the puppets can move. Now I'm going to be painting the box dark blue. Now I have painted the box, and now it's starting to kind of look like a puppet show stage. So now I got these papers, and I measured them, the size of my box, and I'm going to paste them, and then this is going to be my background of the And I also made this window out of cardboard, and also this TV is made out of cardboard, and I just colored it then. So now I've set up my puppet stage. You can see it's really colorful. And over here, now I'm going to introduce you to the main characters, which are these penguins. And their names are, this one is my favorite, his name is Sam. I'm Sam. And this is Sam's dad. Ooh, we are on a YouTube channel. And this is Sam's mom. Hi guys. And now we're gonna start the puppet show. Achoo, achoo. Bless you.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am. Thank you.
Why are you not wearing a mask?
What's a mask? A mask is a thing that protects you from the virus. What else can protect you from the virus?
Well, you need to use hand sanitizer. Wash your hands for 20 seconds. And when you go to the supermarket, you have to take hand sanitizer with you. And the most important way is to stay home.
What else? But what can I do at home? Well, you can play indoor games. Like what? You can play floors, lava, or hide and seek. You can make your own puppet show. So What about school?
Well, you will have online school.
So I'll see my teacher online?
Yes.
Wow.
Is the virus all over the world?
Yes. Yes.
As this virus spreads from one person to another, we must wash our hands and wear masks and stay home so the virus's chain will break and the virus will go away.
Thank you. Make sure to stay home and stay safe. Bye. I would like to thank all the doctors, the nurses, and the support staff in the hospital. And also I'd like to thank the police, the cleaners, and the shopkeepers for providing us the necessary things we need in the pandemic. Hats off to all of them. I hope you like my puppet show. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe and be healthy. See you